Hi, this is Justin Bearley. This is my personal goals for the Building Leadership program through Fort Hays University. I'd like to introduce you a little bit about myself. I currently teach at USD 268 here in Cheney, and I have been here for 17 years. Fort Hays State University, I graduated my BS and my master's, and now I'm currently taking the building administration classes now. I'd like to introduce you to my family. Addie is on the left. She just turned 12. Lori, my wife, is sitting next to me, and I'm holding Lucky, our dog. Jack is 6, and Emmy is 9. She's on the far right. Personal goals, 1 through 5 years. Number 1 goal is to help Lori to raise our family. I want to be a great dad and husband. I want to be financially healthy and physically healthy as well. I'd like to grow in our faith. Build relationships with peers, students, and community members. Be a role model. Personal goals in 6+ years. Some of these are the same. Continue to raise our family. Be a great dad and husband. I would like to be debt-free in 6+ years. Stay physically healthy. Continue to build those relationships. That's something that's important to me. Grow in faith and continue to be a role model. Professional goals, 1 to 5 years from now, is to continue to be a lifelong learner. Hopefully I can graduate with my admin certificate by that point in time. Grow as a leader and a teacher. Continue to work hard. Stay positive. Possibly even applying for an admin position by this point. Build those relationships and continue being a role model. Professional goals from 6 to 10 years from now. Continue to be a lifelong learner. Hopefully I'm a building administrator by this point in time, and I want to grow as a leader and continue to grow as a leader. I would like to stay positive, continue to work hard, build relationships. Building relationships at this point might look a little bit different than they do currently, and continue being a good role model. Professional goals, 10+ years from now, continue being a lifelong learner, possibly even being a district leader by this point in time. Continue to grow as a leader, stay positive, continue to work hard, build those relationships, and who knows, even by this point in time, we'll be able to retire. Who knows? Why did I choose Fort Hays State University? For number 1, I have strong ties, as you can see. It is affordable. Reputation is good. I am a proud alumni, and so is my wife. She graduated with her master's and an MBA. I did do research. I researched schools in the state of Kansas especially, and I kept coming back to Fort Hays State University. What do I expect? I expect to learn a lot. I'm not sure if I know what I need to know about building administration, and that's why I'm taking these classes. And I think this is going to be fantastic for me to learn. I think the rigor, it's hard. The 2 classes that I've taken so far have been pretty tough, not easy, and so that's a good thing. And I hope to pass the praxis test when this is all said and done. Okay, thank you.